Your Ford vehicle may have a feature designed to alert you if it senses a potential collision in front of you with a vehicle or pedestrian, and help to potentially reduce the severity or possibly prevent some frontal collisions. Let me explain. Pre-collision assist may help drivers avoid rear-end collisions with other vehicles, while pedestrian detection can help the driver avoid pedestrians crossing in front of them. The system uses radar and camera technology to scan the roadway ahead. If a collision risk with a vehicle or a pedestrian is detected, it provides a warning to the driver. If this happens, a red warning light will illuminate on your windshield, a warning chime will sound, and a warning message will appear in your information display. If you don't react and continue to get closer to the pedestrian or other vehicle after the alert, the system pre-charges the brakes and, if needed, can automatically apply full braking force, which may help reduce the severity or even eliminate certain frontal collisions. You can change the sensitivity of the warning system to one of 3 settings by using the 5-way control on your steering wheel. Scroll to Driver Assist, Pre-Collision, Alert Sensitivity, and then select High, Normal, or Low. A lower setting can send fewer warnings, while a higher setting will give earlier, more frequent warnings. Keep in mind, for the system to function properly, the radar sensor and camera must be clear of obstruction. If any obstruction is detected, a message will appear in the information display. Any questions? Go to owner.ford.com.